Hello students, good morning. Our today's learning objective is ascending order, to identify, analyze and arrange the given numbers in ascending order. So what is ascending order? Ascending order is, it refers to arrangement of numbers or any items in increasing order, that means from the small list to the largest. Ascending order means we go from small to a bigger number, like for example from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is your small to big. Let's have a look at one example. Numbers in ascending order. See over here. Can you see like a step? It's like steps. First one is the smallest, then a little big, then more big, and then the most big one. So this is what goes from small to your bigger number. Now over here, can you see the leaves? First we have only one, then we have three, then we have five, and then we have 7. Yes, this is how it is going in increasing order. That means from small to big, that is called your increasing order, or you can say ascending order. Okay, you can even say increasing order or else ascending order, which goes from small to big. Okay, let's have a look at one example of 4-digit number. Yes, the example over here we have 5609, then we have 2414 and 9825. Now from the three numbers, how will you identify which is the smallest and which is the biggest? First we will see the number of digits we have. All are 4. Okay. So now next thing what you will see is, you will see the thousands place. As it is a 4-digit number, we have a thousands place. You will have a look at the thousands place. Now over here it is 5, 2 and 9. You have to identify which is the smallest between 5, 2 and 9. Yes, very good. 2 is the smallest. That is why we will have 2414 first. Next, which is the number between 5 and 9? Smallest one. Very good. It is 5699. And the biggest number over here we have is 9825. So this is how you will write your ascending order, or the numbers from smaller to bigger number. Okay, you will first look at the number of digits. Once you have a look at the digit, you will see the thousands place or a hundreds place, whatever the number of digits are given, the highest place value. Okay, the highest place value you will look at. Okay, this is how you will identify ascending order. Arrange the numbers in ascending order from small to big. Thank you.